What's up, everybody? Thank you all for tuning in. Once again, we have another walkthrough here in Cape Coral. Now, we are at 1901 Southwest 14th Street. Beautiful day, of course, like always. And we have a lot to uncover here on this property here, so stay tuned. It's going to be very interesting. Of course, we have the American flag standing high in the wind here. And if we go over to the garage door, you guys notice we have an electric hurricane shutter for the garage door, as well as a full-blown security system. Now, you have solar panels on the roof here, which are fully paid off, so the new buyer is going to have a fully paid off full home solar system, as well as a standing seam metal roof. These are 40, 50-year roofs, hurricane grade, and chances are that this will be the last roof you'll ever have to worry about. All right, so as we enter the property, you guys notice we have a split floor plan here again. So you got the master bedroom on this side, all the other bedrooms on the other side, and then you have your washer and dryer right there. Comes with the property, of course. I'm gonna make my way over to the living room and the kitchen area. Now, this property was built in 2015, so it's a 2015 construction. We have tile all throughout, just under 1,600 square feet. And one thing I want to note here as well is we have a gas stove. I don't see those too often. There's actually a tank that is on the other side of this wall. I believe it's a 50-gallon tank, so it'll last you for a long time. And of course, we have to have our Remax coffee mug. We can't leave without that. All right, here's another view of the kitchen real quick. And then we have a deep tub sink as well. All right, I'm going to make my way over to the rooms here. These are the two bedrooms. They're both kind of the same size, so there's not much to talk about here. Both have a deep walk-in closet, of course, as well. I'm going to show you guys a different view here. Let's make my way over to the other room. Okay, all these windows here, they're not hurricane impact windows on this side of the house. You do have some manual hurricane shutters, however, and there are a couple of hurricane impact sliders here with this home. All right, here's the bathroom. All the quartz is the same as the kitchen. The other bathroom is the same as well. And then we have the new modern glass doors, of course. Everybody likes those. Looks good. So I'm going to make my way over to the master, show you guys that real quick. All these cables here, by the way, this is for a surround system. If you guys want to keep it. If not, you can take it off. But that's a surround system for the living room area. All right, so here is the master bedroom. Now, this home is on city water and sewer, by the way. So all that is all taken care of. You don't have to worry about a well. And then we go to the attached bathroom with sink, and then you have your glass door shower, just like the other bathroom as well. And right behind this door, there's a separate linen closet here. And then if I turn around, you have a large walk-in closet right next to the toilet right here. Unfortunately, no his and her sinks, but that's okay. All right, here the access point to the outside on the master bedroom, that one has hurricane impact sliders. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it there. And I'm going to make my way and show you guys the back real quick. This is really the highlight of the house, I would say. There's a lot of cool things happening back here. Check this out. Back here, we have a huge pool with water feature. Now, this is one of the biggest pools I've seen in a long, long time. And then we also have hurricane electric shutters here for the entire patio area. Okay, here's another view of the pool. We also have a fully fenced-in backyard. I know that's very important for a lot of people. And then we also have a hot tub here. So if you guys like the hot tub on cool winter days in Florida, which are pretty rare, you can enjoy the hot tub. We got some calusas here on the side, planted for some privacy. Now, these grow pretty quickly. So next rain season, they should be about 3 feet taller. But check out this pool, how beautiful this is. Very inviting. I'd love to jump in right now, but got to do my job. Now I'm going to walk along this pool real quick just to kind of show you. I'm not sure if the video shows it, if you can see it on the video, how large the pool actually is. All right, over there we got the shed, nice little storage shed. I'm going to show you guys the different view here. You see the standing seam metal roof, the hurricane sliders over there in the master bedroom as well. And one thing I wanted to show you guys real quick as well is on the side of the house. I'm going to walk over there and show you what this looks like. But there's a lot of cool things happening here as well. So first off, we have a new AC system. Okay, so brand new AC system. We have a little mini split system for the garage. So if you want to, put pool table in the garage, you can hang out there. This will cool the garage down. We have a Culligan water softener system right here for the water, so you can drink the tap water. And then we have a full home electric generator right here with gas. So it runs on gas, and the gas tank is kind of buried below my feet here right now. There's a lot of features this home has currently available at 490, okay, 490,000 here in Cape Coral. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to visit my website or just contact me and let me know. I'll be happy to send you some more information. See you next time.